Hi. Today we discuss about NOCO Boost GBX155 jump starter. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight, 4.15 pounds. Engine start, 4250 amp. Amperage, 4000. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Key features. The NOCO car jump starter is a 12-volt ultra-safe charger, rated at 4250 amps, delivering maximum energy. It has USB-C technology, which provides a 5-minute jump start. Its ultra-safe 2.0 technology is spark-proof, and has a mistake-free design, to avoid potential accidents. The charger has a 1-year warranty, and a microfiber bag for storage. The lithium charger can easily jump-start a heavy-duty motorcycle, and SUVs. We find the NOCO Boost GBX155 jump starter a better one, because of its compact size, and enhanced thermal efficiency. It has a great ability to jump-start a dead engine, within 5 minutes. The battery charger is specially designed for heavy-duty engines, like SUVs, and delivers 4250 amps. The NOCO Boost GBX155 jump starter is a reliable auto product with ultra-safe 2.0 technology. It ensures safety against short circuits, and overcharging due to its mistake-free design. The auto shutdown technology, and reverse polarity system are impeccable to prevent overheating, and risks of accidents. It also has a reverse hookup system, which provides overload protection, and keeps it safe from sparks. Pros. Takes 2.7 hours to charge. 5 minutes to jump start. Ultra-safe technology. Reverse polarity protection. Cons. Complicated to use for beginners. Our recommendation. We like the NOCO Boost GBX155 because of its quick USB charge mechanism. It takes lesser than 5 minutes to jumpstart a dead engine of a bulky vehicle.